Donaldson seeing the kick-off deep. The defence is good. Peaches there to make the tackle. Got an assist from Walton, who's no fractures in the defence of New South Wales just yet. Now another penalty advantage. Sinclair over the top.
New advantage.
Trying to steal it back and slow it down. He does that.
Stop.
But we'll head back towards
Penalty
the
here.
post.
Hands on the ground. Or penalty not rolling in front.
Float opportunity, but then affect the tackle.
The chip shot is good for Fiji, and they're up by 3. Scored 3 tries in these last 2 games against Fiji. Parisi back for Gordon. Hooper, good hands. Walton, Jorgensen, over the top for Marky Mark.
Got some deft passing from the Waratahs.
Still playing with a penalty advantage here, the Drua.
Tackle!
Might be a fresh advantage here, it is. Michael Hooper infringing. Eliza Ben O'Keefe, massive. Massive somehow gets it away. Retake the lead. The Bulldog months on the money. Bouncing out of the tackle there of Ikanabera. Now a penalty advantage for the Tars. Fulton, Parecki floating one over to Walton, who pumps it in behind. Nothing will come of this, and we'll play the penalty. Right in the middle of the park. 23 back, and is good. Harris tipping on for Holloway. Big moment coming here. Donaldson. Jorgensen over the top for Peach. Jorgensen to Peach. And the Waratahs go up by 7. Matawalu has his entire team completely bunched. Now they've got the penalty advantage. Looking to potentially level the scores here. Fiji held up, but they had the penalty advantage.
Okay, so we see the tip of the ball touch the grass, so it's going to be a try. Happy? Yep. Try.
Yeah, it's great work from the Fijian Drua forward pack.
In reverse. Now pump it down towards Jorgensen. Set up both Tars tries. Nwangani Tuasa. Here's some room out the back for Walton. Back for Marky Mark. Oh, yeah!
Discipline around your execution. Because if you give this team an opportunity to get back in the game, they'll take it.
Pulled down by Holloway. Oh, look at that! Tamani, as predicted by the box. Hopping for Peach. Hannigan. Gordon. Over to Vailanu. Jorgensen working them over down the left. Gleason thumps his way over.
That's a wonderful response.
It's a big one coming later tonight. Andrew Swain and Stephen Hall's on hand to call all the action there. Right now, though, it's the Tars looking for a bonus point try. Vailanu at the back gets a hand from Peach. Vailanu, I don't think they're going to stop him. They will not. Maher sneaks another try for the Tars. Into the crowd, and it's a decent crowd on hand at the SFS. Who've seen a terrific game of Super Rugby Pacific between the Tars and the Fijian Drua, and it is New South Wales who make it 4 wins in a row